Can I spin this? Yeah. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. Thank you so much for joining me today. Look what I have. I decided to treat myself because I now have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I think as of this filming, it's 1,009. So, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I did not think that I would get 1,000 in just over 2 months. I'm blown away. Thank you so much for all your love and support and the sense of community. It's just amazing. So, as a way of celebration, I bought a color cube from Sarah Renee Clark, and I've been wanting one for so long, and I finally got one. Now, to start this off, I will say that I have not been paid to review this. My channel's not big enough for that. I have not been asked to review this or anything like that. I bought one off my own back as a way of celebration with my own money, with my own everything. So I wanted to unpack it for you today and show you. And I have some really fun ideas of what we could do with this. Now, I'm going to start off by saying this is one of the best quality products that I have come across in a long time. I'm not saying that this is one of those viral products, but I did purchase it through her Facebook page, I think, and it links you to her website. I will say with every other quote unquote viral product that I've bought, the quality has been absolutely rubbish because they are so quick to go to market with this mass production of stuff that they just don't care. Or they care, but they just don't think that it's gonna matter. I don't know. I've purchased things like dog brushes and pilling scrapers and like cleaning products and all this stuff that is just rubbish, and the quality is so bad, and you're paying for the marketing, you're paying to have a viral product, which just ends up in landfill like after the fad's over. And I could rant on about this for ages, but this is absolutely amazing. The quality is just nuts. Again, I'm not saying it's like a cheap viral product. I'm just saying that I've bought it through social media advertising because I'd seen it advertised on social media. It is just amazing. Like the quality, I ordered this Sunday morning and it got here yesterday afternoon, which was a Tuesday. So that's literally like 2.5 days that it got here, which I am in Australia. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, no, I think hers shipped from Australia too, because she is Australian. Yes, there are 2 volumes. This is volume number 1. It does come with a sticker that you can put on yourself. So I've put the one there. But like, oh, that lid, like it just, I don't know if I can like, oh, it just goes on so well. Like, I don't know about you guys, but just the way that a lid, oh, it is so good. And the box that it comes in is its own like branded white box, and it has like foam for it to sit in. It is literally just like, oh my gosh. And there's the volume 1 under here, and they come in, this is 250 swatches. So there's this little instructions here. So using a color palette. Color palettes can be used for so many creative projects, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to read all of that. So you can pause this and read it if you want. But there are instructions here, and there is some more information on the back. And the cards just feel like they're really soft, and just the feel of them is so great. Like oh my gosh. And see how as well the cards sit in the box. There's like a foam little insert. So they're like nestled in there. They're so great. And so you've probably seen these advertised, but I'll bring some out. So this little birdie. And then on the back is the hex colors. So this is like for digital stuff. But then you've got your tints and your shades. So you've got the color, and then here's some darker options and a lighter option. So you could just pick your pencils. So I don't know if you guys watched my video that I posted with my plans for 2025. It was one where I was just sitting there talking. I wanted to get more creative and use and not be stuck with the same color palettes. So for example, looking at these, if I had the choice, I would always pick these 2 and not that 2. So I'm going to set myself a little challenge, and you're welcome to join me. Please join me. Please do. At the end of every month when I'm filming my plans for the next month, I'm going to pick out a few of these cards at random. So I'm just going to pull them out of the box. So say for example, I don't know, if I was like, I'm just going to pick that one. And I'm going to pick 3 or 4. And I'm going to challenge myself to colour in pages with these colour palettes. And I'm looking at that and I'm like, oh my God, what would I do with that? But it's part of the challenge. And I think in my Prisma set, I have enough pencils that I would be able to make those colours. If not, I can blend them to make those colours. So I'm very excited about that. So you're welcome to join me for my planning videos. I'm going to pick out some colour palettes. Now the other reason why, so that's the other reason why I bought these too, is because I know a lot of you have trouble choosing colour palettes, and colour theory is just something that's really hard to get your head around. So in lieu of me teaching colour theory, which I'm just doing my research at the minute because I know it in my head and visually I kind of know what works, but to be able to explain it is something that I'm just researching so that everyone can understand. So in lieu of that, we are going to pick colour palettes and do it together so that we have fresh ideas coming through. So feel free to pause this video and take a screenshot of this. If you like this colour palette, feel free. I'm not going to be precious about, oh, these are my colour palettes, you can't have this. Like, go for it. Take a screenshot of that if you like that one. If you like this flower one. Now, I'm not saying that I'm going to do this for every page, but I reckon I'll pick 3 to 5 every month. That's going to be my challenge. Another challenge that I could set is to randomly pick the book, say if I picked out Small Victories, and then pick the colour palette. However, I'm a little bit nervous about that because I'm like, I don't know. What if I got something completely brown and it was in like World of Flowers or something? I'd be like, I don't know what to do. You could add other colours with them, I know, but yeah. So feel free. Screenshot them. There's some amazing ones in here. So like I said, there's 250. So I won't be buying volume 2 for a while. But the cards just feel, so they're massive. Like that's my hand there. And this box is huge too. This is just, this has got to be the best quality thing I've bought in a long time. I'm just so blown away. And it's I can't remember how much I paid for this in AUD. Like, you pay for shipping. I think shipping was about $14, which is about standard for something that size. But very reasonably priced. Ooh, I like this one. This one would be good in a Layla Julie, I reckon. Yeah, that's gorgeous, that one. So, so good. So yes, that is going to be my challenge, and I think it'll be fun. So make sure that you stick around on the channel because I will be picking these ahead for every month, and we're just going to explore. We're going to have some fun. We're going to, Sorry, not sorry. I'm just going through these still so you can screenshot those if you like, if you need some ideas, because I think one of the avenues or niches I think that I'm gravitating towards is the colour palette thing. I know every colorist on YouTube probably has their own little, we have our own style, we have our own little niches and whatnot. And I kind of want to, for me, colour theory and colour palettes and colour combinations, I think, are some of the avenues that I want to go down. This one's quite Christmassy. I'm just gonna show you there. It's kind of the avenue that I want to go down. Because like I was saying, a lot of people are having trouble choosing the pages and they're doing colour alongs because they're not sure. But like, colour alongs are super fun. Don't get me wrong. I love a colour along. They teach you so much. But if you're wanting to have a crack yourself, and I think like a good way to learn colour palette harmony and choices as well is by looking at these, because like anything muscle memory, your eyes will get used to seeing what goes well together and what doesn't. And so you'll begin to learn. And again, it's just a great way of picking things that we wouldn't normally pick. Right, I'm going to put these back. Oh, this is just such a great product. I love it. Oh, yeah, and they have little numbers at the top too, which you probably saw. Oh, I cannot wait to get started with this. I'm halfway through a page at the minute, which a Kirby page that I'm doing. And I am not going to rush through it, but I can't wait to start. I reckon I'm going to pick one of these for the next page. I'm feeling like I'm going to pick one of these out first and then base the book off that. So say if it's more of a brown, I might pick a Kirby book, opposed to if it's like bright and pink and colourful, I'd probably pick Johanna. More muted, not muted, but more, what's an example? What is an example? So like with that, I'll probably go a Johanna page. Yeah, this I'd go a Layla page. Yeah, you get the idea. I'd probably go a Layla page as well. You get the gist. But there are so many different themes in here. No two cards are the same. Oh, it's just a bit. The only thing is they just get a bit tight when you try and shove them back in. I'm just gonna do that. Oh, I've just seen a really nice one. This one looks fun. Look at that. Lollies. So good. Can't wait. Let me know in the comments if you have one of these. And if you love it, if you hate it, if you use it a lot, if you don't, let me know. I'd love to know. Because I'm just super excited about this. And again, I'm just blown away with the quality of this. I feel like Sarah Renee Clark, she's just done such a good job. I'm so impressed. I'm so thankful. I'm so blown away. I'm so excited. There are so many positive things that I have to say about this. And again, I'll put this one back in there. The instructions. Let's just, one more time, let's just marvel at the, it's so great. And of course every side has different colors on there. I love it. So good. Oh gosh, I get way too excited about stuff like this, and it's really fun to spin, you know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Make sure to stay tuned for some colouring fun with this lovely product and these beautiful cards. I will see you in the next video. Bye.